It's very crooked. Like it matters. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new around here, I am taking an abandoned home in my hometown in rural Kansas, and I am gonna make it amazing. So we are going upstairs with this video, and the goal is to get as much of it cleared out as we possibly can. I'm gonna start with the bedrooms. We'll turn you guys around. It has not a ton of stuff, but heavy items, unfortunately. And we go through here. Again, more mattresses, big stuff. So not a ton to clear. It's just, well, obviously we got some plaster situation. Heavy things. So my mom is coming and she's not gonna be able to help me lift this stuff, but she'll be able to help with some of the little things. All right, so welcome to, we need a name. Welcome to my abandoned house series. Let's get started. All these things, I don't know what they're for.
Oh, look at those blue dots, Brooke.
I know! So that was like, oh,
sorry.
that's all right. I saw that in the tour video and I was like, oh, those are different. And then those are what they look like in that, the HVAC room.
Oh, yeah.
That's what they have up top there. Please don't fall out of the bottom. Oh, yes. Actually, this isn't very heavy. I'll leave that for you.
Well, I probably can't. So.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do it. And then we can. Let there be light.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yes.
When I get over there, I'll take that dang thing down.
Well, let's just leave it. Don't worry.
It's
just
fine.
Yeah. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna take. It's very crooked. Like it matters. Are we done yet? Okay, just a little more to go. Here, do you want to use this and gather stuff into it?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Carpet samples, I guess? I don't understand. I don't see this carpet anywhere. Whoa! Almost died. Ugh. I can't get all that. How many steps do I have so far today? Let's see. 8,500 steps so far.
Ooh, they left a picture of their grandkid.
Nope, no name?
No.
That's funny. I'm taking this cover too, because that thing's dead. Okay, let's see.
take these mattresses out and then I'm going.
And then you're done? No. Let's do the, like this box and the couch cushions. And then this bag. And then I'll be fine. The rest I'll wait. Okay. This is probably gonna weigh a ton. Yep. Oh my God.
Here, I can carry cushions.
Okay.
Ooh, a cigarette.
Yay. Ah!
I was gonna throw mine down and then come and get those others.
Oh, good call. Good call. Well, done.
Well, I didn't want to get them in your way.
Oh, yeah. Like that?
Like that. Exactly.
Like that? You can keep it on that little step stool, but face it towards the... I can also come up.
That's probably a good idea.
There we go. Hi. Mom's gonna learn. She'll be the camera guru. There we go. Okay.
Oh, man.
Mom, I need it on camera. Jeez. Mom doesn't want me to be YouTube famous.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, you're rolling. Hold on. Don't wait for me to come down first.
Of course.
All right. Oh my God! Wow, these are heavy. Come on. You almost made it to the dumpster. Are you filming yourself?
You, I hope.
Oh, okay. Well, I couldn't tell. I was like, selfie time. The Mona cam. All right, Mama.
Hi.
We're going to get Taco Mayo, obviously, because we're construction workers today, and it's our lunch break. We've been doing some heavy lifting, haven't we, Mama?
You bet.
This is not elder abuse, I promise. She volunteered.
I do.